Hello. When installing Studio in large organizations, manually setting up each individual workstation is often not efficient. That's why the installer of Studio supports an automated installation via the command line. A silent installation means that the installation is controlled by parameters without the need for a user to manually confirm each step. There are two important variants available. Silent displays the installation process. With Very Silent, the installation runs completely in the background, ideal for automated software distribution. For example, the installation directory can be specified directly via additional parameters. The dir parameter defines the destination folder. This allows an installation to be carried out exactly according to the specifications of the IT department without user interaction. Additional parameters can be combined for a completely unattended installation. Very Silent suppresses the display of the installation. No Cancel prevents a manual abort. No Restart prevents an automatic restart of the system. The silent installation of Studio offers IT administrators an easy way to roll out installations efficiently, reproducibly, and without manual intervention. With tasks and skip.NET Runtime, we have also defined two of our own parameters that prevent the installation of the desktop icon or the .NET Runtime, respectively. For more information about the supported command line parameters, refer to the documentation of the installer used by VS Studio.